Hi friend, this is Pawan Sharma. In today's video, I will be teaching you about a intraday setup. A very simple, very easy to use setup. In intraday, I have seen a lot of traders. They know about the setup. They know about like support resistance. They understand support resistance, and they can also find out that this particular stock is taking support on this level, and from here it can bounce back. But because they don't have that much confidence into their finding, they do not take the trade. And after like big movement, when they like realize that okay, now finally it is going in their favor, it is then they take the positions, and by then it is too late, and the stock might reverse because it's intraday. It might reverse from there only, and again they are facing stop loss, and that will lead to further, I would say, decrease in their confidence in the in their coming trades. So today I'm going to talk about, I'm going to teach you a very simple, very easy to use setup. But here, all you have to do is just first give the complete focus. It won't be a long video; it will be a very short video, but you don't have to skip this video. And second of all, understand one part, that you have to keep patience while you are in live market, so that you can implement this setup in your trading setup. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it, that way you can support my channel a lot. And just below this video you will find a subscribe button. Click that. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and in description box you will find some links which will be useful to you, like some demat account links, our website link where you will find a lot of courses. Along with that, our Telegram channel link where you will get live support. And if in case you want to join our Hindi channel also, so this is another channel which is in Hindi. You can also join there for daily stocks and for like swing tradings, and there are a lot many other informations which we do provide on this channel also. So you can join me there also. So let's start with the setup. And for this setup, I will be using a Nifty chart, and I will be using 5-minute time frame, because in intraday, 5 minute is something which is, I would say, a kind of time frame which gives all the information, like about the trend also, clarity in your positions also, and it also gives you clear stop losses also. If you go with 1 minute, then I would say it's more of a scalping time frame rather than an intraday time frame. And 3 minute is also fine. If in case you want to use a 3 minute, then 3 minute also, which you can use. I prefer 5 minutes, so that's why I'm teaching on 5 minute only. What I did today, first of all, I found this support which was present at 22,300. How you can find this support? Either you can use option chain, or you can use the previous levels, and by using those previous levels you can draw a line, and on the basis of that you can find the nearest support and nearest resistance. Yesterday also 22,300 was acting as a support, and today also it like almost followed the same levels. Market opened flat, went up till 22,440, 450, and from there it fall till again 22,300, rises back, and then it followed a zigzag movement but didn't go anywhere and close around the same level, which is 22,300 only. And I would say opened plus opened with the like 1 point gap up and closed with 3 point positive, which means the closing was also flat. Today I have seen a lot of traders were complaining about stop loss hit. The reason was they were looking to buy at these levels, like looking to buy at these levels. But why we are not buying at these levels, this is where you have to keep in mind. This is what you have to understand. The strategy which we are going to discuss today will be double confirmation strategy. What this means, now you have to keep your eye on the screen. Do not skip the video, do not miss any information, because it's very important. First of all, you have to see, what you have to do is, when you draw a line here, you draw a line here anywhere. I'm just giving you an example. First of all, you have to check that, let's say the stock is trading here, so this is resistance. The stock need to break its resistance. This is support. The stock need to break its support. So today the support was available at 22,300. So it need to break this support, then the setup will be active. It if it's resistance, then it has to break that level, and then only the setup will be active. Before that it will not be active. Let's say if this is a resistance, and if a stock is like trading here, and if it's hitting this level, then this is not the setup which we are discussing here. This is something else. This will be then a range breakout. If you want, I can create a separate video on range breakout, how to identify them and how to take trade on the basis of that. Please do let me know by writing in the comment box. But this is something else. Do not get confused between this range thing and this the setup which we are going to discuss here, the double confirmation setup. So let me just check if we can find such entry here. Let's say this is one. What I did here, I use the same setup here, like this one. So now what I did, I use the previous levels to understand the support and resistance for intraday also. It might be for maybe for swings also. So now if you look at here, this fulfill our that condition of that setup. The stock fall, it broke this line, hit back, again hit back, again hit back, again hit back, and then it fall. So this is what I was discussing about. So what it did, it broke that level, it hit back. So this is confirmation 1, this is confirmation 2, and you have to keep in mind that if this candle is hitting and just after 1 or 2 candle again it's hitting, then this will be considered as one only, the one peak only, because when the levels are too close, then you cannot separate them. In order to have that double confirmation, you need to have a difference of at least 5 to 10, minimum 7 to 10 candles of any time frame. And if the 10th candle is hitting the same level, then that's a second confirmation. Then you can say this is third, and again it is considered same thing. And when you find such setup, go for sell, because that way it is now indicating that now after breaking this support, it tried to break once, it tried to break twice, it failed, again it tried to break thrice. So of course now this becomes like third confirmation, but you can take trade here also, you can take your entry here also, and then a fall. So if you look at here, 425 till 350, that's a 70-point fall with a minimum risk which you can take. Now if you just go back and we can check some further levels also. This is also one level which you can discuss. This is one. Now if you look at here, this level was acting as support recently. Hit here, hit here, hit here. Now what is the confirmation here? Confirmation is that we have to first allow it to break this level. So it broke this level. We have to shift a bit. Sorry, this one. So we have to like allow it to break this level, and now this is gone. Now in this first confirmation, see, it once again broke that level. Now what we'll do, we will try to go with the buy thing. So 1 and 2. So from here a big move. So this is the confirmation 1, this is confirmation 2, and this is breaking for the buy side. And once it hit the same level, again it hit the same level, and when it rises back, this is where you have to buy. So this is a classic example of double confirmation. Classic double confirmation. Let's take another example. Here this will be 5th of March. It break this level here. Okay, so this is where you can go with sell entry. It's not entry, it's first that now you have to focus on sell side. Now what we are doing, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the confirmation. So it went back, of course, confirmation 1, but in second confirmation it regained. So now this became your what? Buy entry. And first confirmation, and second time it break this level. So now again, now you see, if you will buy here, you might get a stop loss hit. Because we generally do not exit so fast. We will wait for big moves, and of course, we should wait for big moves, and in that waiting period it might come back, and at times we have to either exit on cost or we might have to take a stop loss hit. So again, sell entry, right? It went back, so this is the sell entry. Again, your confirmation, again second confirmation here, and look at here. So this is a classic example that how to save your stop loss hit. So this is saving stop loss hit. So this is that example, this setup, wait, and this is buy, and this is your sell. So this is known as double confirmation. Whenever you want to, this is not something which is new. It is a very old setup being used for many decades, many years, but people don't have patience. The new traders specifically don't have that patience, and because of that they do not know about this one. So now you know about this. Try to use in your trading setup and let me know how the results are going in by just commenting in the comment box. I'll see you into my next video, guys, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Take care, guys. Bye bye.